Send it to the end of that sentence, and it just never came. They're so pretty, it looks like candy. Alright, so I've been, along with you guys, begging Who to come out with some pastel markers. Their original set that I had did not have brush nib, but there was a wide range of like satin. I might grab this color and do one of these stripes. I think I want this green color for her pants since it's kind of very far away and we won't have to worry about them competing with one another, but I think it will also ground the drawing because it'll be the two dark areas. Could probably also use this for one of these.
And the French onion soup is just the upcharge is what you paid for. So you paid for, was it 6 ounce fillet?
Hey guys. Hey. So oh, jeez. It's Sunday, January 17th, I think. I've been feeling pretty depressed lately. I think like at work I'm just real tired of not doing what I want to do. And I'm really good at my job at work, so it's like, I don't know, it's annoying, and I feel sad that I haven't, like, I've applied to a lot of jobs. It was before January, and it's been a while since I've done more, but I just, like, I haven't gotten any jobs. Like, I'm so over it. I don't want to I don't want to go to work anymore. So that's just been weighing on me. But today I had a much more productive day than yesterday, and I feel a little bit better. You're with me cleaning the rabbit cage. That's what's happening right now, so excuse any noises. Basically, so my mom got me 5 art snacks boxes. The regular ones, not the plus. She got them for me for Christmas. So I turned those into videos, of course. So I just got done with those today. I did the intros the other day. And then today, one day I did like one of them. But today I finished the other 4. So that's fun. I got a lot of really good watercolors that I like, and a couple of like liners, and a couple of colored pencils that are really good. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to today. House things, doing laundry. I didn't have a vlog last weekend because Jazz's family was over. For the whole weekend. And then, yeah, I just have like maybe 1 or 2 clips from then. The little girl that you see in one of the clips, she is, I guess technically, my sister-in-law, maybe, I guess you could say. But yeah, she's really sweet. She actually asked me to record that video. I'm not sure why, but it was fun. We did a painting together. I'm not sure what else I'll do today. I think maybe edit the Art Snacks videos so I can have those ready as a series. And then maybe that's all I'll do today. Maybe spend some time in my sketchbook. I think that'll be a good way to finish off a Sunday. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. See you next time. We're back. these faces. They multiplied. There's like 4 of them. Wow, the zoom on this is really good. Where'd the other one go? Don't know. There's one. Wow, look at this zoom though, guys.